and we are a manufacturer of away-from-home paper products, towels, tissue, napkins, facial tissue, products like that that you'll use in restaurants, hotels, commercial office buildings. We've been making recycled paper since 1927. Our company started as a forest company over in Europe, and they realized that you really needed to be sustainable in order to maintain a business plan. So every time they harvested one tree, they were planting 3. Customers are definitely demanding more sustainability, whether it's customers that are merely supplying like a state contract and there's some kind of requirement that says it needs to be a green seal or eco-logo third-party certified, or it needs to have this much post-consumer content. We also have the customers that are very far ahead of the curve in terms of understanding sustainability. So they're looking at life cycle assessment, they're looking at end of life and the other portions of sustainability besides just what goes into a product. So is it reducing usage? Does it help me control cost? Does it help reduce the amount of waste that's being generated? So we have a broad spectrum of customers that are really demanding this for many reasons.
Sustainability, you think of sustainability as it's around, it's a systematic approach or systems thinking approach, and you're always you're thinking global or globally in nature, but you're having to act local. So you have to consider what's important at each facility in each state, so that we're constantly out in front of what we may have to be aware of or responsible for in the future. We're on top of the SEC building. That's our office complex here in Neenah, Wisconsin. This is our first entry into the renewable energy evaluation. There, we're looking at solar photovoltaic panels to make electricity for our office building. In a typical year, it'll produce about 25 megawatt hours of electricity. An average home in Wisconsin uses about 1 meg a month. We're going to be evaluating a new wind turbine technology here at our site here. We're putting up 4 20 kilowatt turbines here, and the kind of a cool thing about this is the turbines are actually going to be produced in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. The towers produced in Appleton. The foundations were put in by a company right next door to us, right here in the town of Menasha, and the electrical work was also done by a contractor right here. So we're keeping this development of renewable energy. It's local.